Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Breaking news at eba and say from Aban Street. Woman be press conference. Ghana Health Service and the Information Minister Kojo Oponyo Nkrumah. Ghana coronavirus no 4 more cases ababeka ho. It is here cases no I 6. Etiefo, it is getting serious. Na information bi a mensa aka ene nyama bi amate no etiefo eyempaebo bebi edui eyempaebo ba eyempaebo pe sebe common sense nso eka ho. Na I don't understand something. So 6 cases here Ghana ya recording in no imported cases. Na trese cases bi a efri amanone ene ba Ghana fo bi a wo mo wa amanone. The new cases in the yate and they say Ghana Nibia or America, obi nso a Germany, Spain, ne nyama a wo mo ba Ghana na omode yare na ebae. Na eya say Ghana Yankasa and the leaders all we are not proactive people. Say yare we ababedu. Now one of the stats are Matse for just say a yame one emma me bo who say ya we and she ya a share say spread the Ghana on. Dear Matse and say one more press conference no could you appoint Nkrumah any the other people Ghana Health Service ni Ministry of Health ni one more press conference the omo kind say one of the persons initially recorded first say womonya coronavirus no one of them ya contact tracing na tracing nkrofo a nipa kro no wo bedu Ghana woni omo enya nkita hodie woni omo kasa ye na nyama no likely say wo mo nso enya yare ni bi ana wo mo benya because yare no wunya enya animonimu a na show symptoms. It will take for 2 weeks na asha say show symptoms it e bia oni obi enya contact ende nipa ko no be hu no say onu nya yare ni ya because symptoms mbae. It will take 2 weeks and some symptoms never show. Now one of the contacts, you see in Crawford Tracy say one omo enya nkita hodie over 100. Over 100 people just within this short time. Now sa over 100 people yi womo nso womo fie. In Crawford be wo ho, womo navofo edwumem asori a womo koye meeting bi ase a wo koye market a wo koye. Inti ade we won yanhwe ni ye a etiefo bibia bekwa kodu no. But you see one thing I don't understand when ni na echi no aban the rules and regulations bi aba but akoye say still Ghana na we are not learning. Aban say or advise say nkrofo say momu ntukwan enkwa abrochi ana momu ntukwan emba Ghana and I say aban na dey we advice ben enewum ento de bia won hwe emre bi say ye nia Donald Trump ye mpe na asem but emre bi say ena ye emre a wo be bo Donald Trump abaso dia wo ye America say nia wo modoson people were expecting a lot of cases. They said the AC ewo Italian grofu ewu cases na air rise, you know. People were expecting that in America. But yes, even though America 4 cases no, they are still recording cases no. The Donald Trump abwa wo more drastically experts cry air and say what ban travels into America from European countries. Because Donald Trump tenas in who said dabi wo more che ade no yes yare na fi China but wo more che yare no akọ different countries ni ano enye China for ne kra eyo wo fi Europe Shegana dia ye ka ho asem say all the cases recorded except Bakopa yes we student a wo fi America we student o just say wo call America wo ba na wo de buy except Sandy Pakro no but share all the cases and Germany and Norway. Just say all these cases, Turkey, Nini na European countries inti sa ade na Donald Trump eye no wodwen ye eno hu se dabi eye Europe fo no na echeche ade no mo na country aye say ye record say wo mo chepa eye Italy China fo no kra wo mo nche sa Italy Osha Africa dia ya record ni no eye European countries no na echeche aba Africa ha say na aban Ghana last week and a breaking news. Minya just say do 1 week. A breaking news say 2 coronavirus cases. Ne do 1 week. 4 about account. Yen says a coronavirus in so. It takes 2 weeks. We know how the system is. And ye Ghana Petra in the world. How you come in contact with people. It's predictions are air back. And I say from the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Say news bi amba say coronavirus yenya no edro na ye hwa a lot of cases will be recorded in Ghana from the next 2-3 weeks. A lot of cases will be recorded in Ghana because the airport now when your opportunity be say we say you are advising people not to travel, not just say advice nipa ko ne pa wo be fa wo pa wo mfa tabi China sunaka say wo ban you are banning travels. I don't understand. Do you want people to start dying in the country before you ban travels? And then me know kasa Rwanda and the pair wo mo recorded wo mo 1 coronavirus case unim bi wo mo ye and the pair and the 1 pair wo mo recorded and no so nipa kono wo dey fi Europe and obedu wo man ni mu that be no and no nipa kono fi Europe nipa kono fi India wo fi India wo fi Europe wo fi India no dey bedu wo man ni mu 1 peno bi o mo aye schools you close schools down for the next 2 weeks you see ehwesenia airco you close your sorry down all public gatherings you closing it down aside that omo aye say wo mu ye adwuma na say mu nye adwuma from home 1 case by wo record wo Rwanda see the actions they are taking. They are proactive. Na ya ko ya say Ghana na ye twen say enipa bewu ansa na yaka say ye say. Ya ko kan we say why is it that Ghana has a you see and this shows the seriousness of some people in Ghana for yankasa yenye serious coronavirus e recorded wo Ghana no share international schools are e Ghana Lincoln yes school be Mbrofufu school be wo Ghana your friend Lincoln and other school be so your friend Ghana International School. These two schools one more thing say you recorded coronavirus or Ghana na pam and no more closely down schools no. And this is their mentality, or this is how they value human lives. But Ghana still your man kola eko saitofo eko school. What is wrong if you call off a year school? No, they can say for next 2 weeks in Kolamunko school for next 2 weeks. A sorry program because your name say Easter ya ben. A sorry for ni na sha say we more year plans for their Easter conventions. Nanke ni mo wo de ahye say a sorry close it down. And then I sorry baby aba your Facebook live. Into what the pastor no dey kwa sorry ho na ko preach na o members na enhwe e wo Facebook live. That one is better. Facebook live aba. That one is better. But you see, we are quiet on things like this because if you are buying who said that Ghana is a Christian country, because kase momo nko sorry sisia na say, "Masa, wo mo de Christosum ne ba ye kran no, wo kọ Roman fo akese we Italy Pope Roman no, omo kran no, wo mo call it off in sorry." Aside that, in Kremosuma kese wo mo kọ Saudi Arabia come Mecca ni we no, Mecca ho kran no, ye close or ho in sorry near down. Na wo mo be tre som no yemo ye pese ye tre se esom no ye ni atia ma ye nim esen wo mo inti aban sro say we close down churches for this time being churches be so we tia no masa and then the aba yesi nipa ba ko tema coronavirus yi tema nipa ba ko asa nipa no otu kwan e baaye wo sanso tu kwan wo baaye tre se woni ne nkrofofo e wo tema ho a na wo feel say that bi wo yare wo ko tema general hospital okodu ya ye check ya coronavirus just one more the best sign what they assign e wotema and yen how Tema is an industrial hub in this country. A lot of people from all world Tema no obi en free ho Tema enyi obi akromo me Tema na mete enyi obi akromo. People from all walks of life and aba etena Tema. Inti in a particular community in Tema no utumi nje say awoza for penalty ho ana incline for penalty ho in a very typical community in Tema no ubehu ne say inclinity ho aigbenity ho asantinity ho because obia na aba behia. Imagine say abrante ya wetu kwan aba Tema yi ngrofo no so wo mu tu kwan akọ mu krom ebia weekend ye ne Ghana say na weekend eyie ye ne kese wo mu tu kwan akọ eyie bia o de akosan o de akosan me say send your dear way won yan hwe ye e wo Ghana send your best spread no. I don't want to be a prophet of doom, but the way the thing is going and the actions the government is taking we are not serious. And Kenya and one more cry from one more president the president's office one more close it down when sorry any schools mo bi anko school for bear the next month yan hwe the ABC Omo closing in down. But we are here. China for our model yari by and the news are air and say one they are recovering. Over 60,000 of people are no, they've recovered. Why? Because of the way their leaders acted towards this. Wompo de enumbre anopa ahomachibia womu spray kurum sa Ghana has a yebetumi ayesa de no. Anopa enumre ahomache cast ni nam krom ni bebia spray Ghana ha mi bisawo sa de no ebetumi aya na I was say you need a hole etiefo I was say ye we ene say wo bisi o Minister of Information aba bontin aba report say coronavirus no 4 abeka ho into cases no sisi Ghana aye 6. And these people are Masa. I was say ye serious o. I was say ye serious. E wo man we mu. I was say ye serious wo man we mu. Ye leaders yi. Men konko ye say nkofo be ba recording ase ewuo asha say be man fan ye serious. That thing is not good. And comments I'm hearing is say a lot of people are even happy because omoka say yare we yare bia na Ghana pe na wa na ke be hu say your leaders no mu dwane akwa abroche but abroche ho kra na wo hosin ha until we are in this together omo de ye omo say oh we de embe omo a omo mbehu please we need to be very serious. We need to be very, very serious. Coronavirus. Yo, don't share my comment box in my for me that's it.